back to my brand new YouTube channel. It's Lydia here, as you all know my name. Yeah, so today, guess what? I'm so excited to share this video with all of you. So today I'm gonna be unboxing my MacBook Pro accessories. So yeah, so let's go. I'm so excited to wear my baby some clothes because she's naked right now. So let's just put some clothes on her. Let's just start with our first accessories that I got. So I already unboxed this one because I want to check if there's any damage because it's quite pricey. This one I don't know if this call as my MacBook accessories, but this is my external hard disk. This is Backup Plus Slim. The brand is from SEAGATE. I'm very excited to use it because I have 18,000 of pictures combined with the video all over from 2020 now. Yeah, so I think it's quite nice to have one external hard disk because you know my phone not enough of storage, so I think I have to transfer it here. So I will show how to use it after this. So the second one is I got this online. That is from one shop. I don't know what shot it is, but I will put a link down below. And this is contain leather laptop sleeve for MacBook Air Pro 13-inch, BATIANDA new MacBook Pro 13-inch. In the BATIANDA new MacBook Pro 13-inch contains 4 things. That is my MacBook screen protector, hug dust, and also my glossy MacBook Pro cover, and also I don't remember what is another. And next thing is 2020 ultra thin silicone charger protectors. So in this parcel it contains 6 items here. So after this we're gonna unbox it. And last one is the adapter, and this is the important part that you need to buy if you buy a MacBook Pro 30-inch or 60-inch, because the MacBook does not provide their USB-C, USB hole or projector where you have to do your words and you have to connect the the projector, and you have to buy the adapter. Yeah, so after this we're gonna unbox it. And for the last one is here, this is sticker because I bought the glossy cover for my MacBook. It kind of so plain, and I want my MacBook to be like so static, so I thought I bought sticker for my MacBook. So that's all. So let's just unbox it. Hi guys, so this is my MacBook Pro 13-inch. So let's just continue with the first ever accessories. That is here. Guys, it contains 6 items here. So I'm gonna open this one first, and let's just put this away. So this is my MacBook sleeve bag, I think. You can see it, yeah. So this is my very kind of beautiful with the mint color. Hi guys, so I'm gonna open this first. So yeah, so this is the power protection sleeve. This one, I believe this one I'm gonna cover for my MacBook Pro charger. So this is my MacBook charger. I'm gonna unplug this one and put it aside. Yeah, so let's just open it. It's so beautiful. It's called white color. The material is silicone, so this is dark plus cover that I told to you. I got it in transparent. It's not really clear to see. Is it clear? But I don't know. Yeah, it's can see, but not really. It not really can be see. It's kind of visible.
being little.
Yeah, snap it.
Maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home.
The next one, yeah. So this is the one that I say the plaque that's covered. Already balanced too, so I think I'm gonna put it here and yeah.
Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about the feature. Till I go numb, days until my legs go numb. Till I go numb, baby, it's 4:30 and my whole world is. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day.
I got it too. So I think I'm gonna put this color because it's kind of aesthetic. It looks like this. It's super cute. Oh my god.
Down, yeah.
This is my MACBOOK.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why?
Next one
Can you
is
tell me
gonna
why?
be adapter. Hey guys, so this is additional item. So I didn't include in my last shooting video, so I have to add it. Here you go, my adapter. Yeah, so my adapter is 4-in-1. You know, you can put USB, USB-C, and also VGA, which is this is the projector hole. And I don't know what is this, but it is so important. It's like a must items when you bought a MacBook Pro 13-inch or 16-inch. It is so necessary to have it. And the next one is my external hard disk. So I got it from brand SEAGATE, and you know the storage is 2 TB and it's quite big because I want to save all of my photo in here and just put everything here. So that's just the addition part that I didn't include in my last shooting video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Hi guys, so this is Rita. Thank you so much for watching my video today. That is unboxing my MacBook Pro accessories. So thank you for waiting. Bye guys. So thank you so much for watching my whole video, and I really love how my MacBook looks right now. It is pretty, so cool, and it's so safe. Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoy as much as I do, and go hit the button, subscribe, comments, and like down below. And if anything you want to ask me, just ask. No doubt, no hesitation, just ask. That's good. Okay, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Lots of love.